January 2018, the Wall Street Journal writes that Trump arranged a $130,000 payment to porn star Stormy Daniels in October 2016 to prevent her from discussing a sexual encounter she had with Donald Trump in 2006. Trump has consistently denied having an affair with Daniels, whose real name is Stephanie Clifford. February 2018, Michael Cohen, a former private lawyer and fixer for Donald Trump, says he paid Daniels using his own money and was not directed by Trump's company or campaign to make the payment. He said Trump never reimbursed him for the payment. Now, Cohen would later contradict both those statements under oath, stating Trump did in fact direct him to make the payments and reimbursed him. So when they call Michael Cohen a liar and all of this stuff, this is kind of one of the reasons. February 2018, the New Yorker magazine reports that Trump had an affair with Playboy model Karen McDougal from 2006 to 2007. The magazine said American Media Inc., publisher of National Enquirer tabloid, paid McDougal $150,000 shortly after Trump became the Republican nominee for president in 2016 for exclusive rights to her story. That was the reason that they used for paying her the money, but they never published the story. And clearly, they did it as a favor to Donald Trump. April 2018, Trump, when asked by reporters if he knew about the payments to Daniels, responded, no. Asked why Cohen made the payment, Trump said, you'll have to ask Michael Cohen. Yeah, see, he throws Michael Cohen right under the bus as fast as possible. May 2018, in an ethics disclosure, Trump acknowledges reimbursing Cohen for $130,000 paid to Daniels. July 2018, Rudy Giuliani, one of Trump's personal lawyers at the time, says Cohen recorded a conversation with Trump 2 months before the 2016 election in which the two discussed a potential payment to McDougal. Trump denies wrongdoing and calls Cohen's tape perhaps illegal. August 2018, Cohen pleads guilty to criminal charges in Manhattan federal court, including campaign finance violations over the hush money payments. He testified that Trump directed him to make the payments for the principal purpose of influencing the election. In their indictment of Cohen, prosecutors say a candidate for federal office, referred to as Individual 1, arranged the payments. Trump was not charged with the crime. Jeffrey Berman, the top federal prosecutor in Manhattan at the time, later confirmed that Trump was Individual 1. December 2018, Trump on Twitter calls the hush money payments a simple private transaction. He always gets himself in trouble. In an interview with Reuters, he says the payment to Daniels wasn't a campaign contribution and there's no violation based on what we did. I mean, it's just giving money to people. August 2019, Cyrus Vance, the Manhattan District Attorney at the time, issues a subpoena to the Trump Organization, Trump's family real estate company, for records of hush money payments. July 2021. So we've jumped now from August 2019 to July 2021. Vance's office indicts the Trump Organization and its top financial executive on tax fraud charges. Trump himself is not charged with a crime, and the indictment contains no reference to hush money payments. February 2022, two top prosecutors leading the probe into Trump's business practices resign. One of the prosecutors, Mark Pomerantz, later said his resignation came after Alvin Bragg, who replaced Vance as district attorney, indicated to him that he had doubts about pursuing a case against Trump. Bragg's office, meantime, says the investigation is ongoing. Apparently it was. December 2022. The Trump Organization is found guilty of tax fraud in a New York state court in Manhattan. January 2023. Alvin Bragg's office begins presenting evidence about Trump's alleged role in the 2016 hush money payments to a grand jury. March 2023. Manhattan prosecutors invite Trump to testify before the grand jury, which legal experts say is a sign. It's a sign. An indictment could soon come. Cohen, Michael Cohen, testifies before the grand jury as well. March 18th, 2023. Trump says on his social media platform that he expects to be arrested on Tuesday and calls on his supporters to protest. A spokesperson for Trump, meanwhile, said the former president had not been notified of any arrest. Oh, my God. March 23rd, 2023, District Attorney Alvin Bragg's office says Trump created a false expectation that he would be arrested. Bragg also at this time, I remember this very well, wrote a letter to Republican congressmen. Those congressmen had been seeking communications and documents about this whole case. And Bragg told them, you're interfering with an ongoing investigation for the state of New York. Get out. Get out of here. Leave us alone. March 24th, Trump warns of potential death and destruction if he is charged with a crime. March 30th, 2023, Trump is indicted. Trump was indicted by a New York County grand jury. He is charged with 34 felony counts of falsifying business records. Now, the reason these are felonies and not misdemeanors is because in New York, if you falsify business records in connection with another crime, it bumps up to a felony. Trump's alleged second crime, campaign finance violations. April 15th, the final date in this particular timeline. April 15th, jury selection begins. And for the first time in U.S. history, an ex-president faces criminal charges in a trial. I'm Gloria Moraga, political woman. Please subscribe. Please vote. I'll be covering this day to day as events happen. Follow me.